Welcome to Family Cook-Off. This week we travel to Clone Island with our clone crew to meet two clone families. Tell us more about it, Sam. Thanks, Sam. That's right. This week we'll be shooting from Clone Island, the only island populated entirely by clones due to an international treaty banning artificial human replication. That's right. Only in a godless third world country like Clone Island can such experiments happen. But today we're going to meet Clone Family 1. Clone Family G15, please introduce yourselves. That's very exciting. Thank you very much. And now we have Clone Family K57. Will you please introduce yourselves? That appears to be very exciting. It seems like we'll have a very interesting episode with many unique personalities. Thank you very much, Sam 1. Well, so tune in next time for the very special edition of Family Cook-Off, the Clone Family Edition. For all the Sams, this is Sam 2, signing out. Peace, my homies. Ha 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 ha